Welcome to the third episode of HTML tutorials for beginners.